I have been longing to return to CW for quite some time. Repaired my CW paddles using a crocodile clip as the central terminal had given way. Once I found that this worked well, I was a bit lazy to solder it. To test it out, I gave a CQ call on 7010 kHz to see if reverse beacon network would pick it up. I was glad to see my signals being picked up at VU to PTT with a 10 dB SNR. Soon, I was pleasantly surprised to receive a reply to my CQ call. I did not expect anyone to be listening at around 9 p.m. local time in this region on 40 meter. Here is a short video clip. You can see the nice CW signals on 7010 kHz.